Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about print preview, page break, headers, footers, and how to print a spreadsheet. So we are going to start from here. You can see we have three options here. The first one is normal, as we can see. And the second one is page layout. When I click on this, you can see it appears here, the page, every page, and from here we can add the headers. Add headers here, and also here we can add footers here. So I want to write here, for example, print. Yeah. You can see it appears all over my other page, and also I want to add here, for example, footer. You can see I have the footer here, and also I have the header here. It works just fine. And also I'm not sure how many pages we have, and I just scroll this to right. You can see almost we have 3 pages. Why almost? So I want to, it's not fit in 3 pages. I just come here and see this. You can see 1 page, 2 page, and this one is half. So it doesn't work like this. I just come back to normal and I come here to page layout. From here we can adjust the size of the paper. You can see we have different kind of things, and also from here we can adjust ourselves. So I'm not going to go deep on this, and I just want to change this portrait to landscape. I just select this one. So I come back here and I click on this. Now I scroll it to the right. You can see I have 2 pages and it looks way better, and you can see I have 2 pages. So now I don't need all of this data. I just need specific, like a few rows to be in one page. I just come here, and here we have page break. And page break, whenever we select a cell, no matter where, I just come here and insert page break. You can see I insert page break here, and also I want to insert here, insert and insert. You can see it works just fine. So when I come here, see the magic. When I come here, you can see, and 1 page, 2 page, 3 page. So it is the magic of page break. So when we want to like print a specific thing, so we just add a page break between. So I just come back to normal. So if we want to like remove the page break, we should select a cell under the break. For example, if I click here, when I come here and remove page break, we still have this. But when I select this one and I come here and remove, you can see, and also just you select a cell under the line. Yeah, it works perfectly fine. And also whenever we want to print it, we just come here on file and print. We have the page, we have the header, we have the footer, and we have the number of pages. We have 76, and we can adjust the number of copy. We want 1 copy, 2 copy, and so on. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.